Hello, dear Goinkans. I hope everybody is fine. Dear kids, today we are going to discuss what factors are. Students, as you know, whenever we multiply any two numbers, the product we get is also called multiple. Now, the question is, what are these numbers called by multiplying which we get multiple? Those two numbers are called factors. Say, for example, here an example is quoted 8 threes are 24. This 24 is multiple of 8 and 3, and this 8 and 3 they are factors of 24. They are called factors of 24. Whatever multiplicand and multiplier are, these two are known as factors of 24. And whenever we have factors of a number, like you have here 3 eights are 24, it means this 3 divides 24 exactly, and 8 divides 24 exactly. Each of them, when divide 24, they leave remainder 0. If you divide 24 by 3, you get 0 remainder. If you divide it by 8, you get again 0 remainder in both the cases. So this is the definition of factor, that whenever a factor of a number divides it, it leaves remainder 0. In other words, we can say that it divides the number exactly. So whenever we have to check for a number if it is its factor or not, we directly divide. If for example I want to know is 2 factor of 25, what we will do, I'll divide 25 by 2. If remainder is 0, then 2 is its factor. If remainder is not 0, then 2 is not its factor. Here you can see 2 12s are 24, 2 13s are 26. So remainder is 1. That means 2 is not factor of 25. One more example, if I have a number, say I have a number, say 36, and I want to see if 3 is its factor. So I'll divide it by 3, and we know 3 12s are 36. Remainder is 0. In such situations, we can say that 3 is factor of 36. Not only the divisor, but also the quotient we got, that is also a factor of 36. But the condition is that the remainder should be 0. This is the definition of factor, that factor when divides a number is exactly divides the number and remainder is 0. And we have certain facts and properties related to factors as we had in multiples, and everybody know that 1 is factor of every number, because every number is divided by 1 exactly, because every number exists in the table of 1. Say for example we have 17, 1 sevens are 17, 1 14s are 14. In all the numbers, when divided by 1, will leave remainder 0. That means 1 is factor of every number, and 1 is the smallest factor of every number. There is no such any number smallest than 1 which can divide any number exactly. So when I make use of word exactly, it means when we divide, remainder is 0. Exactly means whenever we divide, the remainder is 0. When I say 3 divides 27 exactly, it means when we divide 27 by 3, we get remainder 0. If I say 25 is not divided exactly by 2, it means division is possible, but we don't get 0 remainder, we get some non-zero remainder. This is what the word exactly means. So 1 is factor of every number, and in fact 1 is the smallest factor of every number, and each number is the greatest factor of itself. Each number, say for example if we find factors of 12, I need to check in which number does 12 exist, in which table does 12 exist. 12 exists in the table of 1, in the table of 2, in the table of 3, in table of 4, in table of, it does not exist in the table of 5, it exists in the table of 6, and then it exists in the table of 12. These are all factors of 12, and you can see here greatest of all is the number itself. There is no any such number beyond 12 which can divide 12 exactly. That means factor is always smaller than the number itself, either it's itself or smaller than itself. This is just the reverse of multiples, where we said multiples can be either greater than the number or the number itself. Multiple cannot be smaller than the number. Here the case is reverse. Factors are always smaller than the number, and the most extreme case is the number itself. There is no such any factor which can be greater than the number. Factor is always smaller than that number. And whenever we divide, third property is whenever we divide any number by any of its factors, remainder is always 0. Say for example, I have a number 24. If I find its factors, if I check out in which table does 24 exist, it exists in 1, it exists in 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are the factors of 24. There is no any factor beyond this. You know, 1 into 12 is 20, 1 into 24 is 24, 2 into 12 is 24, 3 into 8 is 24, 4 into 6 is 24. Here also you can see that the largest factor is the number itself. There is no number beyond 24 which can divide 24 exactly. And if we divide the number 24 by any of these numbers, they will always divide it exactly. They won't leave any remainder on dividing 24. And here you can observe one more thing, that factors are finite, factors are limited, irrespective of multiples. Multiples were infinite, they were countless, they were endless, but factors are limited, they are finite. These are all properties of factors, and the basic definition of factor is that a factor of a number is such a number which divides the number exactly. This was all from this video. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.